Hello, everyone. I'm Eric Smith. I'm the Director of Client Services here at Capsim. And today, what we're going to do is talk about CapsimCore, specifically some of the features that are present in the CapsimCore Bundle, and really talk about how this product has evolved since its inception to really become two different simulations. So, for some quick background, Capsim started off with two simulations called Capstone and Foundation. Our foundation simulation was like a simplified version of Capstone. There was a group of customers in that foundation group that consistently told us this is too hard for our students. So we developed Capsim Core with that in mind. We wanted a simpler approach, less detail in the reports, an easier decision-making interface, something that looked a little more modern, and that even something non-business majors could handle. We also introduced a textbook with CapsimCore. It's called Intro to Business, a primer. The CapsimCore bundle also included that e-text. Now, as time went on, we had a very satisfied group of customers using what I call CapsimCore Basic, right? The sim without the textbook. And we had another group that wanted more. We received requests for additional content and enhancements, and the differences between the core bundle and what I call core basic have continued to grow. The focus of this video is to highlight those differences and hopefully make it easier for you to pick the right simulation to pair with your course. So let's dive in. The first difference is in the level of detail in the reporting. Now, I'm not going to talk about every little difference in the reports, but just in general, there's a bit more information available in the core bundle version, and you'll notice more detail in the reports as well. So first example, if we look at our income statements, you'll see there's quite a bit more on this core bundle example on the right than there is in the basic version on the left. The same is true for the cash flow statement and the balance sheet. As far as additional reports, I mentioned the stock and bond summary. There are also company level financials that you'll find in the core bundle. The pro formas are also a bit different between the core basic and bundle version. In the pro formas for basic, you'll find there's a projected star summary. This is the default scoring method. That same pro forma is also available in the bundle, but in the bundle, we can also toggle the balance scorecard as our primary scoring method. So students can see a projected scorecard along with these other financials, things like their ratios, the cash flow statement, the income statement, and the balance sheet. Those are all available in the bundle. Those are not in the basic version of CapsimCore. HR and TQM are also available in the bundled version. Both of these optional modules can be included at your discretion. They're not overly complicated. They can aid the student's performance. If you have any questions about HR or TQM, feel free to reach out to the support team. We're happy to walk you through the details here. But these are available in the bundle. They're not available in basic. Same goes for the balance scorecard, which, just on a related note, you really need HR and TQM to be on to use the balance scorecard as your grading option. Now, to toggle that on, it's under administration. You'll see course settings. You can always set your primary scoring method from there. The balance scorecard, I'm sure you're familiar with the concept. We follow the usual format we do in our other sims, where you've got 4 quadrants. They're all weighted equally. Again, if you'd like more information on this, just give us a call or send us an email. The top 10 report is a way to track the top decile of students. This is also available in the core bundle. It's really just bragging rights, but students get a kick out of knowing if they rank among the top 10. And last but not least, we have our e-text, an intro to business, a primer. This e-text, you can schedule chapter quizzes on Capsim. It's a robust question bank. So basically you just pick 8 or 10 questions for each chapter, however many you want to use. The grades will flow directly into your Capsim gradebook. and it makes it extremely easy to both deliver the sim and use the textbook within the same course, with everything feeding back to the same grade book. So that's a summary of the differences between the core bundle and basic version. If you have any questions, please do reach out. And again, thank you for your time.